All right, so to my left, we have this massive engine. This is built by Beck Racing Engines. Some of the cool things I wanted to point out on it, this entire top piece here, the blower, is gonna be all carbon fiber. So that's an amazing piece. You can see just how big this engine is in general. It's got a huge supercharger right here mounted on the top. All the headers on this thing are completely coated. The fuel rails on this are massive as well. The reason they're going to run both of those is they get more fuel into the engine and the cylinders, and that's in turn going to produce more horsepower, provided that it doesn't explode. So that's why everything is so massively robust on this motor, as well as the fact that they added this secondary rail. So they're really pushing the high numbers. I wouldn't be surprised if this engine puts out about 1,000 plus horsepower. So as you can see, it's even got these safety straps here. These are going to prevent, in the event of an explosion or crash, anything from completely exploding off the motor and keeping the driver safe as well. So again, just goes to show you how much power this motor right here can actually produce, to the point where the top can completely explode off and they need it to be held by some fireproof bands. So you can see on these belts as well, they're SFI rated, essentially meaning that they are rated for most racing series. Any sanctioning body will usually require that belts are up to date with a certain spec. Sometimes you'll hear specs like the Snell rating on a helmet. This SFI rating is very similar. So these are definitely purpose-built race bands or straps, and most likely fire resistant as well. This is the good old bug catcher.